In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to size and align graphs equally in PowerPoint automatically. Whether you're preparing for a school project, a business presentation, or just ensuring everything looks as professional as possible, it's important to know how to manage the layout of your slides effectively. Let's walk through this process step by step to make sure you can apply these techniques smoothly and efficiently. Start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once you're there, navigate to your PowerPoint presentation. It should be saved and ready to go, so find the file and open it up. Now let's move straight to the specific slide that contains the graph you want to work with. In this case, it's a bar graph, but these steps will work with most types of graphs and charts in PowerPoint. Once you've selected your slide, click directly on your bar graph. This will highlight the graph and bring up a whole menu of options specifically for formatting and adjusting this part of your slide. It's always useful to remember that clicking on your object is the key to telling PowerPoint what you want to work on. With your graph highlighted, head over to the Format tab, which is located at the top of your PowerPoint screen. The Format tab is the central hub for customizing the look and feel of your selected object. Here you'll find a range of tools that will help you adjust everything from the size of your graph to its color scheme. But for now, we're focusing on alignment, which is crucial for ensuring all your elements are organized neatly and look appealing. In the Format tab, find and click on the Align button. This button is pivotal in organizing your slide layout. It's like the organizing principle of PowerPoint, allowing you not only to align but also to distribute elements so that they are evenly spaced. Once you've clicked Align, you'll see a list of options displayed. Choose Distribute Horizontally. This option is incredibly handy because it ensures that if you have multiple graphs or objects on the slide, they will be evenly spaced across the slide horizontally. It takes the guesswork out and centers everything beautifully, creating a harmonious look. And that's it! You've now aligned your graphs automatically in PowerPoint, making your presentation not only informative but visually pleasing as well. Practicing these steps will soon make you proficient in using PowerPoint, enhancing both your confidence and presentation effectiveness. Thanks for joining me today, and happy presenting!